Hey everyone, Carter here with Z-Beans. Today we're going to talk about the use of a French press. This is a method we use down in Ecuador to sample all the coffee from each farmer because it allows us to pull out all the flavors and characteristics of each bean and coffee that the farmer has before we bring it back here to the States for you all to enjoy. So let's go. We'll begin by heating up our carafe. Next, we'll measure out our beans and then we'll put them in the grinder and grind them on coarse. We'll dump out the water inside the French press and then add our freshly ground beans. Next, we'll add more hot water, approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll place the lid on top and set a timer for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we'll remove the top and break the crust and set a timer again for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you'll be able to press your coffee and then pour it right into your cup to drink. We hope you enjoy.